Today, I'll show you how to clone a website front-end and back-end with Figma, so you can study it, redesign it, or build on top of it. This is one of the fastest ways to do that. Start by opening your Figma workspace and creating a new file or opening an existing project. Once you're inside the canvas, look at the bottom of the screen and open the Actions or Resources menu. From there, go to Plugins and search for a plugin called HTML to Design. When it appears, run the plugin. If this is your first time using it, Figma may ask you to install it, which only takes a moment. Once the plugin opens, you'll see a simple panel on your screen. This tool is designed to convert a live website into editable Figma frames and layers. Now, open your web browser and go to the website you want to clone. This can be any public website, like a landing page or portfolio. Copy the full URL from the address bar. Go back to Figma and paste that URL into the input field inside the plugin. Below the URL field, you'll notice a few optional settings. You can choose whether you want the design imported as desktop, tablet, or mobile, and you can also control how detailed the layers should be. If you're not sure, you can leave everything at the default settings and continue. When you're ready, click the Import button. The plugin will start processing the website. Depending on how large or complex the site is, this may take a few seconds or up to a couple of minutes. During this time, just let it work without interrupting it. After the process finishes, the website will appear directly on your Figma canvas. You'll see frames, text layers, images, and layout elements that you can select and edit just like any normal Figma design. You can now change colors, replace text, adjust spacing, or rebuild parts of the layout however you like. This is especially useful for learning layout structure, recreating designs for practice, or quickly starting a redesign project. Keep in mind that this method is best used for learning, inspiration, and prototyping. The imported design may not be perfectly clean, but it gives you a strong starting point and saves a lot of time compared to rebuilding everything from scratch. And that's it. You now know how to clone a website into Figma in just a few steps and turn it into an editable design you can work with right away.